my name is Durgashri from Sjkt and Kinrara. We are students from 6th. This is my team, UN, Rubadarsan and Charan. A standardized way for scientists and authorities to communicate the current state of volcanoes activity and portray ash to the public. Early warning article for reduced loss of life and property in volcanic region.
Release on monitoring a combination of seismic activity, ground deformation, gas emission and other related phenomena to detect and predict potential volcano eruptions.
Volcano alarms and article for public safety during volcanic unrest or eruptions. These alerts issued by observatories and emergency magnet agency provide information about the volcano status. They help communities prepare for and respond to volcano events whenever it is erupting or taking shelter.
Volcano alert play a role in communicators near, but they are not perfect and often involve challenges in accurately prediction eruptions and managing public prediction. While only warning systems are an essential, false alarm can alert public.
Connect the temperature sensor to the all input of the Arduino. Connect the vibration sensor to a digital input pin and take the LED to a digital output pin.
Continuously monitor temperature and vibration levels. Trigger the alarm buzzer LED if temperature exceeds a threshold or if vibrations are detected. Simulate volcano condition by heating the temperature sensor gently, causing warm air or a heat gun, shaking the vibration sensor.
A volcano alarm communicate typical influence stating information following official instruction and convey how to protect yourself during an eruption. These entities listen to emergency board guides when interpreted and taking pictures to avoid volcanoes like us.
A volcano alarm reference generally refers to the system and producer used to alert the public and river authorities about potential or ongoing volcanic activity. The system often introduces higher alert levels system like the USGS system to communicate the level of volcanic unrest or potential hazard. Alert levels are typically associated with specific action and precautions that should be taken in affected areas. So we want to do the demonstration of volcano.